Hello everyone, welcome to LingoVerse Academy. My name is Beck and here I teach you English File Elementary Series by Oxford. In the previous class we learned grammar, possessive adjectives. If you missed that video, please click here to check that out. In the future we'll release all the videos for you guys on YouTube absolutely for free. So please subscribe to our channel and click on notification bell to not miss any future videos. In this class we're gonna learn writing. It's gonna be our first writing on elementary level, so let's get started. In today's writing we're gonna complete the visa form and write a paragraph about you. Let's read the information box. Capital letters. In English these words start with a capital letter. So for example, this is capital A, this is lowercase a, okay? This is called a capital letter. So let's check out what words are written with a capital letter. Names and surnames. Melissa Rogers, okay? The first letter of a name and the first letter of a surname is written as a capital letter. Continents, countries, nationalities and languages, first letters are written as a capital letter. For example, Europe, France, French. Okay, the first letter of towns and cities are also written as a capital letter. For example, New York. Okay, let's move on. Days of the week: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. The first letters of days of the week are written as a capital letter. The first word in a sentence also starts with a capital letter. Her father is from Milan. Okay, the first letter of a sentence is always a capital letter. The pronoun I is always written as a capital letter. It doesn't matter if it's in the beginning of the sentence or at the end of the sentence. For example, she's Russian and I'm Mexican. So here I is in the middle of the sentence but still written as a capital letter. Okay, please keep this in your mind. Okay, now let's do exercise B. Complete the online form with your information. Visit and short stay visa. Okay, today we're gonna apply for a visa, guys. Here we need to write our personal information, but personal information is very sensitive, so let's write about someone very famous. Okay, who is the best rapper out there? It's Eminem, right? Okay, let's write about Eminem. I guess we all know him. Good. His name is Marshall. His surname is Mazers. Mr. is for a man, so he's definitely a Mr. Okay, so let's write Mr. here. Date of birth. Here we need to write date, month and year. Okay, 17th of October 1972. Let's move on. He is definitely male. He is divorced. Nationality. He is American. Okay, pay attention guys, we write with a capital letter, American, because nationalities are written as a capital letter. Let's move on. Place of birth. That's definitely United States, the USA. Okay, then town, city, St. Joseph. St. Joseph. Okay, contact details. Home address and postcode. Let's say home address is 8 Mile 8 Mile Street. Okay, 8 Mile Street, house 8. Okay, apartment 8. And postcode is, let's say 1 2 3 4 5 6. Email address. Let's write Eminem at LingoVerse academy.com. Okay, I'll really create this email and you guys can send me emails. It's gonna be very fun. Okay, phone number. Home is let's say 1 2 3 4 5 6 6 7 7 8. Landline and mobile is +1, that's a code for America, 3 2 4 5 6 7 8. Passport ID number, that's definitely is 8 Mile, right? Mile let's say 72. It's not a real information, guys. We're just having fun here, trying to fill out the visa application form. Okay, this is only an example. This is not true information, but I'll literally create Eminem at lingoverseacademy.com, so you guys can send me direct emails and I'll respond to the email. Okay, it was very fun, guys. Now let's move on to exercise C, where we need to write this paragraph again with a capital letters where necessary. Okay, here, let's read it together. Start from here. My name is Merrick. In this sentence, the first letter of the sentence is a capital letter, and the name of a person starts with a capital letter too. Again, the first letter of the sentence is a capital letter, and then this is a place name, so it needs to start with a capital letter. Gdansk in Poland. Poland is a country name, so it needs to be a capital letter too. And I speak, I needs to be a capital letter. Polish, P, capital P. German, capital G. And a little English, English, capital E. Okay, my teacher, the first letter is a capital letter. Teacher is American, A, capital A. Then her name's Kate, so the first letter of the sentence is a capital letter. Person's name also starts with a capital letter. Then my English, M, capital M, because this is the first letter of the sentence. English always is a capital letter. Classes are on Tuesday. T is a capital T because the first letters of days of the week are written as a capital letter. Then Thursday again with a capital letter. Okay, well done, guys. Please pause the video and check out by yourselves. And next we're gonna do exercise D. We need to write a similar paragraph about you. Okay, this is the paragraph we need to look at. Write a similar paragraph about you. I would love to see your paragraphs in the comment section below, guys. So please write it down, write it properly with all the capital letters where they're needed, and send them as a comment. Okay, I'll read one by one, and if you have any mistakes, I'll correct your mistakes. Great job, guys. That's it for today. In the next class, we're gonna do practical English with a lot of videos, listenings, and a lot of exercises. It's gonna be very fun, and I'll see you in the next class. Bye bye.